Hey everyone, back here with another Pokemon Generations pack opening. These two packs came here from the Keldeo. I think that's how I pronounce it, little box there. So you got the card there. So we'll get started here with the Venusaur pack. See what we get here. Alright, starting off here with a Ponyta. We got Magikarp, Grass Energy, Diglett, Chikorita, which is a Radiant Collection card, Evo Soda, Pokemon Center Lady. We have a Slowpoke for a Reverse Holo, and it looks like for Radiant Collection card we got a Mega Gardevoir EX. I got this card a couple times. And the last one in the pack here is a Rapidash non-holo. Move on to the next pack here. Looks like we're starting off again with Ponyta, and again with Magikarp, Grass Energy, looking very familiar, Diglett, again very familiar. Oh, we change up here with a Fletchling this time. Maintenance Trainer card. We got Machoke. We got an Imakuni Reverse Holo. Diancie is the Radiant Collection card. And the last card in the pack here was a Dugtrio non-holo. So, not the greatest pack. I mean, I guess I did have that Mega Gardevoir EX already, but anyways, thanks for watching.